Maggiano Little Italy. What are you gonna do? Fried mushrooms?
Yeah.
You're gonna get it?
Yeah.
Okay.
All I do is just want plain mushrooms that are fried.
You don't want lasagna?
No.
You're gonna steal our food?
No, just plain fried mushrooms.
Uh-oh, we got one of these spinny doors. Oh, Lordy. Oh, Lordy. Well, you've never done it. One at a time. Yay! You made it. It's like a toilet.
This is very fancy.
It's fancy, fancy, fancy.
But
All right.
No, this is actually fancier than
Hold on.
Lay's.
What's that?
This is fancier than Lay's.
Yeah, way fancier. Brian. Pardon?
One kid menu?
Yes, please. Okay, we're going that way. Come on this way. Ooh, you gotta watch these glasses here. Ooh, we got a cool booth too. You wanna go in the middle there, Trump? Hey, we have real candle lit.
Oh my god, this is so fancy. Oh crap.
Thank you.
Whoa.
Here you are, sir.
Thank you.
I hope you enjoy.
Thank you. Ooh, let's move this out of your way.
Yeah, we don't want to
Put it right here. Just because you got one right there.
Put it back here.
Look at you, got a kids menu and everything. All right. Oh, look at you gonna throw oil on the plate.
There you
This is
go.
the best thing ever.
Oh yeah, bring some bread right now to go in.
Wait, can I also tell you something? Do you have any fried mushrooms?
Fried mushrooms. So we do have mushrooms to pasta. If not, we do have our appetizer, like the stuffed mushrooms. They're not fried, but they're stuffed with a little bit of panko. So they have a little bit of breading in there, some spinach, some parmesan cheese. It's a really good appetizer if y'all want to start with
What
some
are you supposed to do with this?
You dip bread in there.
You know, that bread right here, you grab this loaf of bread.
I'm gonna bring that right out for y'all right now. Some fresh bread in the other plate.
All right, thank you.
My name's Michelle.
By the way, do you have any Pepsi?
I have
Okay, I'll do some Coke.
Cokers. Alright, one Coke for you. So can I get y'all some?
Can I have a Coke too, but can you add like grenadine to it to make like a cherry Coke?
Absolutely,
Thank
yeah.
You have Dr. Pepper?
Yep.
Have Dr. Pepper.
Cherry Coke, regular Coke, Dr. Pepper. I'll bring some fresh bread for y'all. Y'all been here before?
I don't think so, no.
Never?
We were at Bass Pro and we just decided to come over for lunch.
Check it out. Yeah, well, if y'all have any questions, need any recommendations, y'all let us know. Y'all let me know, of course. We have some features and stuff special right here. Feature items for the next, month or so. We have a feature dessert, a pumpkin cream cheesecake. It's my favorite dessert that we ever served. It's seasonal, so we only have it for the next 2 months. Excellent. But y'all, relax, look over the menu. If y'all have any questions, you let me know. I'm gonna get you started with those drinks and some bread, okay?
All right, thank you.
The kids menu? The kids
Okay,
menu is this one?
right here.
Is that it? Okay.
Yes.
Alright, thank you.
Anybody have any allergies, stuff today? No? Perfect.
Thank you.
That days.
The one day?
Yeah.
Nah, we get him out of the way because you break something, child.
Yeah, well, wait.
There you go. I appreciate that.
I just want to be safe than sorry.
I want my Pepsi now.
No. You try it.
So fancy.
This is the good stuff, Harvey.
Did you see what kids menu is? Let's see, they got cheese ravioli, the marinara, hot ziti, lasagna, spaghetti, and a meatball.
They got this Marcos for 2.
What is it?
Marcos meal for 2. Choose any appetizer or 2 side salads. Choose 2 classic pastas and 1 dessert.
Did you want to do that? Choose 2 classic pastas. What's the classic? Like right here down at the bottom? Yeah, I'm good with that. Because you can get the ziti, lasagna, fettuccine alfredo, spaghetti. spaghetti and meatball or pork cheese ravioli. Those are classics down at the bottom. I would say probably the big ziti.
Yeah, so we'll get that.
Yeah.
I'll get this
So that way
spaghetti
you get
meatball.
a salad and share the dessert with Harper. So that's what you want, Harper, is the stuffed mushrooms?
Yeah, I'm trying to make it with the spinach.
No, with spinach?
Yeah, it's stuffed with spinach. But that's what you wanted for your meal?
Yeah.
Come on with our drinks, so be careful. Oh, I think we're ready.
Yeah, it's gonna
My
get you.
whole
We're
bread.
gonna share the Marco's meal for two.
Yeah, that's gonna be the starter on that.
What do you want to do for the starter? Can we do the stuffed mushrooms?
So much is to start.
That's what I do.
All right.
And then for the salad, let's choose any appetizer or two salad. Okay. Yeah, we'll do the appetizer. We'll just do the mushrooms.
The stuffed
Okay.
mushrooms, and how about for your entrees?
I will have the Taylor Street Big Z.
And ziti, of course, sir.
And the spaghetti and meatball.
Spaghetti meatball, how about for you, honey?
Oh, she's
just
have
gonna.
the stuffed
Pick up
mushrooms.
Yeah,
The
she's-
mushrooms are for her.
She's already
There you go. Yeah,
snacked a
that's
lot,
perfect.
and then this
Alright.
bread's gonna fill her up.
Yeah, that's funny. If y'all need anything, as y'all let me know. Again, my name is Michelle.
Okay, thank you, Michelle.
Thank you.
Does it taste good?
Yeah.
That's just straight up olive oil. This is healthy for you.
That's actually not bad because it covers all of our meals and not anything. That's actually a good deal. Let's see what dessert.
I prefer butter though. But
Is it good?
it's got basil.
I'm not good at that one.
Nope. Nope.
Is it good?
Just bring it a little closer to. They are expensive. Not cheap by any means.
I know this is really fancy.
When you give them CPR to the chair.
You could do and. You could
A
do.
and B. And yeah.
A and D and D from Toy Story. You put a Y. That was on the bottom of Woody's shoe. Us. Whoop us. Whoop us.
To write them all on the lines, all the words that you can.
Oh my god, that
careful.
is like.
Oh,
I
yummy.
never saw a mushroom that big.
Me neither.
Do one at a time, okay? You want to get your little fork?
No, still messed
You want me to
up
cut it for you so it's not hot?
Yeah.
No, we all want to try one, food.
Okay, fine.
No, I'm doing it. Oh,
I'm gonna try one.
Oh wow. That's so.
Oh,
That was like yummy.
Oh, yummy. The dope is good, huh?
that's cool, huh?
But I'll cut it so that way it doesn't burn your mouth. It's very hot. They just came off the phone.
Portocini mushrooms.
Okay, here. Use this. And below.
It looks like stuffing. Like for Thanksgiving.
You have your napkin, right?
Yeah, it's over here on the side.
Is it good?
Is it delish? Is it to die for, as they say? Oh, like Thanksgiving stuffing.
Is it good?
Very salty. Oh, got more bread.
And you enjoy those mushrooms.
Thank you.
Thank you. They're actually really good.
Yeah. Is it better than the fried mushrooms?
That's good, Harp.
That tastes like pure heaven.
Pure heaven? Is
It
that
should
your
be already
favorite
cut, babe. Well,
What?
I gotta just rip it. It should already have a cut.
Yeah, it kind of is. Oh, yeah, you know what? It is.
Those are good.
Can you pass me the sauce?
Okay. What do you like better, the stuffing or the mushroom?
I'm just gonna pour some of this.
I like the stuffing.
I actually like them both.
Seasoned very well. You got it? You're good to do it that way? I'm happy when I'm eating stuffed mushrooms.
What's this?
Oh shit.
It's a seasoning thing? What is it? Oh, lemon. Sour if you put lemon in fruit on it, good.
And I'll cut these so that they're ready to go for you to eat.
What are you using? The bag? Is that better than this?
Yeah.
These are actually really, really good.
Oh, you know, the soybeans are perfect for her too.
No, I'm cutting these for you, baby.
Yeah,
I'm not gonna eat these. I'm just gonna give you my plate.
He's just helping you so you can eat them easier.
You got the easy, ready to go. Well, keep your fork though. I love it. Got stuffing.
You gotta tell the waitress to open the door and make her so happy.
That's like the best thing ever.
And here's a piece of bread.
No, okay.
Oh, is that for me? Thank you.
Right here. Oh lordy.
Giant meatball.
That is.
Okay, thank you.
Not. She took those up and ate them.
Thank you.
Oh yeah, thanks. Thank you. Look at the size of that meatball. Holy ziti. It's a big bowl. That's like a giant turkey egg. What is this, a spoon? Why do they always get spoons?
So you can use sauce, I
Yeah.
guess. Or so if you just scoop up the meatball, I guess.
I can do that with a fork.
They could just poke the meatball and start devouring it like a kid.
Yes. Oh, Harp, this might be really good. You want some? Want me to put some on this plate over there? This is the good spaghetti stuff here.
By the way, this is like better than his. Wait, is there actually the way that I actually put that?
Yeah, you go with it.
No problem, I'll buy it. This is like the best restaurant ever.
I feel sorry for your boyfriend or husband.
Like, you want ask them all the time to come here?
Well,
Be broke?
I'm gonna be broke.
Boyfriend?
Your girlfriend.
Those are better, by the way. Boyfriend stink.
Oh my god. It's on camera.
You're so funny.
I'm gonna become a baddie.
Isn't that good?
How is it? I didn't try mine yet. How is yours? Good?
And that's a big portion over there.
I know, that's what I'm saying. These portions are huge. And then makes it
Oh my god.
Yep.
That
So
was
good
so
dessert.
much 10 times better with the crunch.
I know. There was one that I had like a crunch, but I think it might have just been the stuffing stuff that kind of got burnt. Well, not burnt, but toasted, crisped.
Oh my god. This is all done. This tastes like the real Italian food.
Oh, it is? It's Little Italy.
This tastes like $1 million meal.
No.
You don't need any of these right here? The parmesan and rip up the plate?
Wait, can I also tell you something? These are the best things that I've tried.
Right? I agree.
loves them.
They're so good. I'm glad you like them.
She's hooked.
I love them. Good, good.
By the
We'll come
way,
back for some more
What do you
sometime.
have from dessert?
I'll show you later though. Marco's really not about some dessert. So
Yeah.
I'll bring that right up for you.
That's like the best
Yeah, we're
thing.
good
Nah,
right now.
I'm good. Thanks.
Everything's very good. Thank you. This is delicious.
And that's Harper's picture that she wanted the mushrooms. And that's her face. A stuffed mushroom, hungry face, happy face.
Yeah.
You're gonna tell everybody about that tomorrow at school? This is a lot.
I know, you do a lot.
I'm gonna be taking them home.
Yeah, they're not shy about their portions.
I'm inflating now.
Mm-hmm. You okay?
Yeah, it's not good. That means you're gonna have no mushroom.
If you want that bread, the different pasta, you can have it.
Well, yeah, I was thinking about it, but then I'm gonna
I
be
got it. I just did 3
really
bites.
full. Well, it's a good thing you did it quietly.
Soften your where you stop. And you can take left home.
Yeah, I guess. I guess.
Okay, one time a stick man was walking outside, but in the ground he saw a mushroom. Then he plucked it out. Then he started
And
gnawing
he
it.
stuffed it. That's it. I think those are portobello mushrooms.
These are like the best mushrooms ever.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna do the same. There you go.
I'm gonna put a little bit here if you want to try it because it is really good, Harper.
It's the best thing you've ever had. Coffee.
All right, the battery died on the other camera,
You taste the coffee.
so we got the tiramisu. You good? Yeah. Oh, where'd it go? Oh, right there. All right, let me take a bite here.
It's very good.
Oh my god.
It's heavenly.
You can taste that coffee.
Pepper favorite. All the flavors just kind of roll together. It's delicious.
Well,